Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making something so delicious. It's banana peanut butter ice cream. This ice cream is vegan, delicious, dairy-free, guilt-free, and it's the best. So what we're going to start with is you're going to get 2 to 3 bananas, and you're going to slice them up, and we're going to give them a quick flash freeze. So I slice them up and place them on parchment paper and put them in the freezer. And the reason you do it this way is it will clump all together if you just kind of throw it in a container and put it in the freezer. So you're going to start with your 2 to 3 bananas chopped up, and you're going to get your handy dandy food processor out. Alright, we're going to grab our frozen banana and place it in the food processor. And now I'm going to add just a splash of some non-dairy oat milk. You can use whatever you have on hand, almond milk, soy milk. You're just going to need a splash just to help the bananas blend a little bit better. When I say splash, it's probably about a tablespoon, so we'll start with that. My banana mixture is looking a little thick, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little splash more of the oat milk. Alright, we've got our nice creamy consistency now. I say I mix that about 1 to 2 minutes, just depending on your food processor. And now we're gonna add in our peanut butter. So I'm gonna do about 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter. You could also substitute cashew butter or almond butter, whatever your preference is for flavor. With the 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter, I'm also going to do about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, just for a little bit more flavor. Teaspoon in, and we're going to go ahead and blend that for about another 30 seconds. Go ahead and give it a little taste test and see if you want to add a little bit more peanut butter, just whatever your preference is. So good. Now to store this, you can go ahead and put it in a glass jar container and keep it in your freezer, and then take it out about 5 minutes before you want to actually enjoy it. You can also add in, which is really fun, some chocolate chips or your favorite chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this almond butter quinoa dark chocolate on top of our banana ice cream. Looks and tastes delicious. Now I'm going to have Mike do his taste test. You ready?
Me?
You. Let's do this.
All right.
It's the best part of my day.
I'm just sitting here.
Wow, that's cold, but it's so good. It's just amazing. Is this really healthy for me?
It's clear to see.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our banana ice cream video. If you like this recipe, please be sure to subscribe to our channel below. And if you want more recipes, go ahead and click the link in our description below. Thank you guys so much for watching.